Yeah, so we tried to set up my phone on a tree and it really didn't work clearly, and the tripod is stuck in my hair, but it's okay. Everything's good. Molly's out here judging me. I'm not an engineer, that's Molly.
Back out.
Molly's trying to figure out how to engineer a way to set up my phone on the tree using a carabiner, my bag, and this like mini tripod I'm using. So we're gonna see if that physics C knowledge paid off. Dad will be very proud of us. All of you physics friends, shout out, because this is real world applications.
Where it doesn't reach.
We're making, oh, it doesn't reach. We're making progress. Maybe take out all the crap in it. Okay, gang, so we figured it out. You can't really see it, but engineering genius Molly Brunk right here set up my bag on a tree and put in her phone. There it is. Hi. The College Board should regrade our tests and give us each a 5. Thanks, hashtag AP Physics C. So I realized I was doing vertical video before and Molly made me feel self-conscious about that. So that's cool. After that big debacle, Molly wants to walk even further to the other side of this stupid trail. So we're still walking. Yeah, that's where we're at right now. Okay, vloggers, we another feat of engineering. We used my nifty little tripod to set up this phone thingy to this sign, and Molly's walking on the tracks, which is very dangerous. We learned about this in driver's ed, but she did not listen apparently. We walked down this really large cliff to get here, and it was kind of sketchy, but you know, we're living on the edge. We walked like a really long way, like on the west side of the Clark's Point and on the east side, and now Molly's had the brilliant idea to go to Larrabee State Park, so let's hope I don't die of dehydration, and let's hope it isn't like in total shambles because the government is still shut down. Thanks a lot, Donald.
Yeah, but I really don't think it matters if the government is shut down.
Wow, this place is wild. If you ever want to go to a national park for free, kiddos, just wait till the government is shut down. Okay, update. Apparently, like, state parks aren't affected by the government shutdown. We're not sure, so maybe I was wrong in my analysis of the situation, but we're going. Yay, we made it here. It's really pretty, and I think I realized that vlogging is not the career choice for me. I'm self-promoing.
That's some shameless self-promoing right there.
Hashtag self-promo.
What is that? Hashtag always plug.
Oh, hashtag always plug. See, Molly knows me so well. Engineering feat number 3 to get B-roll. You're getting a behind the scenes of how modern day engineers vlog. So, can't wait. So we're going home and Molly's like taking all these sketchy back roads, so hopefully we make it, but this is my outro. Take it easy, fam. Peace.